Okay, it's recording. Come on. Mariana, I need you to snap that. Not at me.
Good boy.
I'm lunching, fusion, and trying to take a video at the same bloody time. It's difficult.
I can hold it.
No, I'm good. I chopped your head off for a second, Lizzie.
That's alright, as long as you don't chop it off in real life. It's fine.
Are you sure about that? I wasn't exactly sure you wanted your head.
It kind of helps me to, do everything.
Oh, I didn't know that was true. No offense.
Rose gonna kill me when she sees this video because I'm gripping the horn for dear life.
You're what?
Rose gonna kill me for holding the horn so hard. Come on, you.
Ah, come on.
Don't like me holding the horn.
Shoot. Whoopsie, you don't want to see my boobs. I'm still recording. Give me the bloody thing. Give me it. Okay, this is awkward.
I can hold it.
Good boy. Good boy. Need you to snap it whenever he starts slowing down. Oh, jerk, horse. Still recording. Come on. Come on, buddy. Holy shoot! You pull it out.
Okay, that's good.
Nah.
Yeah, please.
Okay, easy. Easy.
Whoa.
I had said yeah.
Oh, I heard no.
No.
Please, please.
Come on, easy. What God?